This is the second time I find myself in your presence this year. And also, this is the second time that I find myself opening these WASPA games. Last year we were in Muranga. I don't want to mention who won and who came last. But it is my great honor and pleasure that I extend my warmest greetings to all of you participants, officials, and supporters of this year's Water Company Sports Organization Games. And it is a remarkable 14th time that will take place between today up to 22nd of August in this county of Kisii, where the Deputy Governor has informed me that they are graciously strong people with the love food and love and everything you need for the next 1 week. And on that, to you, Deputy Governor, and also the Governor, His Excellency Kisii, we are greatly humbled and really appreciative. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Last year in Muranga, I witnessed firsthand the profound impact the games have on our water sector and the host counties, from boosting of the local economies, fostering cultural exchange, to enhancing national unity and cohesion. I am confident that this Kisii chapter will even be bigger, better, and more exciting. On behalf of the ministry and myself, I congratulate water companies, sports organizations for their steadfast commitment to successfully organizing these games year after year, culminating in this 14th edition. I also extend my gratitude and appreciation to the Kisii Water and Sanitation Company and His Excellency the Governor Simba, also the Deputy Governor, Kisii County, for graciously accepting to host this year's event. The ministry values the noble objectives of water companies, bearing in mind that water is a devolved function which promotes bonding, networking, knowledge sharing amongst our water institutions, and all key drivers for improved service delivery to the people of Kenya. I particularly commend the theme where we are combating climate change through sports, as it resonates deeply with the mandate of the ministry. It is key that a sustainable environment is the lifeline of the water sector, and environmental conservation is integral to safeguarding our shared future. In this spirit, we stand in full support of the initiative like WASCO, for in the end, the true winners are the people we serve, from the ministry to water service agencies and the water service providers all across the country. A few months ago, allow me to remind you, Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, that we celebrated and rewarded water service providers in Mombasa based on the core mandate of the water service providers. This week, the companies that were unlucky or unfortunate to be rewarded got a lifeline and another opportunity to be rewarded at the end of the week. But this time round, it is based on core curricular activities. Sports and core mandates of water service providers go hand in hand. In Mombasa, we rewarded you in suits. I'm hoping in Kisii County, we will reward you in tracksuits. This is a testament to the talent our young people have in this water industry. The union and the games bring Kenyans together and show that the water family is united. And this unity, headed by His Excellency the President, Dr. Samuel William Ruto, the water family has to walk that journey. And the water family must unite, from the national government to the the county level, because the bottom line of service is service delivery to mwananchi and ensure that we are one team, one country, and one nation. I know today is not the day for long conversations, but Mswahili anasema mgeni njoo, mwenyeji afanye nini? The Kisii County and the counties surrounding Kisii County, I am glad to inform you that your project, which is the rehabilitation of water, supply and sanitation for Kisii, Kericho and Leyte counties, is well under procurement. As we speak, the Kisii Last Mile Connectivity Project, funded by KfW, that is the government of Germany, is under procurement, and this program aims to expand connectivity to the growing town, as the Deputy Governor said, this is a 24 economy, to the town of Kisii. That will be to the tune of around 600-700 million, which is a good project for the region. The Kisii, the Leyte and Kericho programs are an evaluation. There are some requirements by the bank to be fulfilled. The agency, the Victoria South Water Works Development Agency, is working on it, and we're also looking forward to having that one rolling. The Kisii project will benefit the people of Nyaribare Chache, Kitutu, Nyaribare Chache, Bonchari, and Kitutu. I know these are areas that are long overdue for these developments, but that is a ball that is already rolling, and we are looking forward to breaking ground this year. As I came in today, I know the primary school, Kisii Comprehensive, stopped me. Wakaniuliza niwapatie maji kidogo, and I'm sure under our program of water conservation, catchment and roof harvesting, my CEO will give them 2 tanks, that is 20,000 liters of water storage, so that we encourage other counties to host these events.
It is my distinguished honor and joy to welcome you all to Kisii, the land of hospitality, resilience, and endless energy. We are deeply proud to host the 2025 Water Company Sports Organization WASCO Games, and I assure you that you are at home, feeling much welcome. This year's theme, combating climate change through sports, could not be more timely. Climate change is not a distant threat, it is a present reality. From erratic rainfall to prolonged droughts, our sector faces challenges that demand both innovation and collaboration. Through sports, we are reminded that endurance, teamwork, and discipline are the same values we need to fight climate change and secure a sustainable future for our community. The WASCO Games unite us beyond offices and boardrooms. They give us space to nurture our health, build strong bonds, and champion awareness on key issues like climate change. As athletes compete on the field, we are also reminded that the real victory lies in working together to conserve water, protect our environment, and ensure a livable planet for generations to come. I sincerely thank the WASPA leadership, Kisii Water and Sanitation Company, all participating teams, our partners, sponsors, who have invested heavily in making this event a reality. Your support reflects the collective spirit that drives both sports and service delivery. To our athletes, play fair, play hard, and play with your hearts. Let your performance inspire our communities to rise to the climate challenge with the same dedication and energy you show on the field. Once again,